Yo, what's going on, Slayers? It's Dark here, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do a Nerf war with Majini.
Oh my god! Okay, hi guys.
Anyway, I've attached my phone to the gun that I'm using. And yeah, we're gonna do a Nerf war, as said. She's gonna do her intro. So, I'll catch you soon. Oh well, you gotta run and grab them. Did I ever reach a green bullet?
What?
No. Come on. Anyway, guys. Let's get this stuff reloaded.
Yay! Double bullet!
You're already dead. I won.
I know.
Ah.
Oh, triple?
Where is my other bullet? Right here.
Oh, there's another one over there.
Where?
Where I live.
Ah, yes.
Start yard.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry, my phone just twisted right there.
Oh god, I have to have my gun down here to actually get it.
Gotta try to do this with my special maneuvering.
Just take a look and notice that.
Pretty good, isn't it?
I like how it's got this part. Okay, now it's got my phone. Okay.
I'm missing 2 bullets.
2 ballots. Oh, here's one.
Yeah, right here.
It's like metal detector.
Ah. Yep, missing 2. The magazine never lies. Found it? Oh yeah, that will be from my minigun.
How about we just carry on?
Yeah, we'll just carry on. I hope I didn't get one over the fence.
I'm sure you didn't, but who knows?
Okay, you're dead already. 2 hits and you're dead.
That was so close to getting. Don't be my daddy! Oh,
What?
it was super close to hitting.
That's 1 bullet. Where's the others? Here's 1, I think. No, that's a pig. Just so you know, guys, I've still got my mask on. You see any more bullets? I've only got 2 left. Make it 1, cause yeah. Here it is, in the garden. Yeah, this whole thing is orange to me, because I've got my mask on. Back to the magazine. Anyway, guys, don't forget to check out Azrath Angel. He's my cousin. He's an angel. Name's Azrath. Don't forget to subscribe to him. Subscribe to Majini.
No, don't shoot me. We haven't started.
I know. I was just pointing the camera at you.
Yeah, I know.
Or was I? Anyway, guys, this is what Majini's camera looks like.
Here. Yep, it's very awkward. It's very.
Anyway,
And
it's a beautiful day. Excuse me. Anyway, that's my magazine bin.
seriously, too much that upstairs.
Alright, well I gotta grab those green ones first. Oh, hell I tell that my magazine is about to die. As I get empty. Where's the other one?
What other one? Right there.
Right, where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. It's very hard for me to see because right now the green ones are very this color.
So I'll just pause the video just so I have enough space because I've only got like 2 minutes left on this. So,
Alright, guys.
see you
I'll pause it
shortly once
too.
he's got his bullet.
See you soon. Skadoosh! And we're back, guys.
Let's get a wee sneak peek of what's inside this gun. Don't shoot.
I will not.
That's so convincing. Anyway, we'll do at least 1 or 2 more battles. We don't have long. So, yeah.
Yeah, guys, I've only got 40 seconds left. Let's go. That was a double shot.
Got ya.
I got you.
No, we're fine.
I shot your phone, I think.
Probably.
Anyway,
Holy moly, this camera.
let's go again, quick. Sorry, guys, this video is going to be a quick video. I promise I will upload so I can delete them and then make more space in my phone. I promise you guys that. And we'll make a longer Nerf war battle. And hopefully Azrath Angel will be in it. It might be tomorrow, it might be next day.
Yeah.
But yeah.